Tower, Sky 3354 is, visual now, runway 27.
Sky 3354, Lindbergh Tower, runway 27, cleared to land, traffic will hold in position, wind 2304.
To land 27, Sky 3354.
Location 5, Charlie, Charlie, make a 180 when able, exit runway Charlie 6, taxi to RMP Charlie Hotel, monitor ground once you're on Charlie.
180 on the runway, exit on Charlie 6, and monitor ground, exiting the runway 285 Charlie Charlie.
Okay, 95, the return traffic, 8 mile final Embraer, traffic is back taxiing on the runway. Runway 27, line up and wait.
27, line up and wait, Alaska 895.
Alaska 895, a 738 heading to Honolulu this morning. If you can't hang out in San Diego, Honolulu is not a bad choice.
Alaska 895, runway 27, clear for takeoff, and 2204.
Runway 27, clear for takeoff, Alaska 895.
Off you go to Hawaii, Alaskan Airlines. And pulling away from the gate, I believe that's the Alaska flight heading to Kona. This is the time to go.
Wind check, please.
Wind 22003.
Roger.
Alaska 895, contact SoCal, depart traffic at plane.
Good day, Alaska 895.
Lindbergh Tower, Frontier Flight 2129, 10 miles out, 27.
Frontier 2129, Lindbergh Tower, traffic 1 mile final, Embraer, wind 2303, runway 27, cleared to land, traffic might hold in position.
Okay, cleared to land, 27 Frontier Flight 2129.
Lindbergh Tower, Des Moines, Alaska 1131, with you just outside CA.
Alaska 1131, Lindbergh Tower, traffic 5 mile final, Airbus, runway 27, cleared to land, wind 2403.
Clear to land 27, Alaska 1131.
CR 3354, turn left, enable on the Bravo, contact runway 23.9.
Okay, able, turning to the left and contact update 254.
Alaska 1131, what's your gate?
Gate 50.
Roger.
SkyWest. Embraer, welcome from San Francisco. You just landed in San Diego.
Alaska 1131, you're still 3.3 miles in trail, traffic on a 3.5 mile final, we have a 30 knot overtake.
Yeah, we're at our final speed for Alaska 1131.
Roger.
Helicopter Corporate 9, again, it was a Hotel Del at 1,000 feet. We like entrance into the Bravo with an orbit to downtown.
Corporate 9 on Lindbergh Tower, radar contact on Bravo airspace as requested, altimeter 3010.
3010, clear to the Bravo, and we'll let you know when we're ready to go northbound. We do have landing traffic in sight, maintaining visual separation.
Corporate 9 approved, and then I don't have anybody else on final for a while.
Very good, thanks, Corporate 9.
Frontier 2129, turn left at Bravo 8, all the way on to Bravo. Plan to go westbound for traffic in the alley. Call ground down 123.9, traffic on the 1 mile final.
Okay, clearing here at Bravo 8 and, which way did you say on Bravo?
Plan to go westbound, call ground now 123.9. Plan to go westbound.
Okay, we'll have west and overground, Frontier Flight 2129.
3408, Lindbergh Field, runway 27, line up white.
27, line up white, SkyWest 3408.
Plus 1131, roll all the way down to Bravo 10. Pass behind your company outbound, Bravo 10. Go to ramp 29.77.
Bravo 10, and give away company over to ramp Alaska 1131.
Alaska 1131, I think your company is holding for you, so you can just go to ramp 2977.
Alaska 1131, good day.
Who is that? SkyWest 3408 to Boise? I'm not sure. It's an Embraer.
SkyWest 3408, runway 27, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 27, clear for takeoff, SkyWest 3408.
Excel Jet 41, Lindbergh Tower, caution terminal supporting Embraer wind 1904, runway 27, line up white.
27, line up for wind, Excel Jet 41.
And Corporate Diner here at Petco Park. We're ready to go northbound back towards Montgomery.
For 9, northbound approved, no on final.
Corporate Diner.
Corporate Niner. Get on up the runway, head off to Boise, Idaho. Now this rascal is heading up to Santa Ana, John Wayne Airport. Oh, I take it back.
3408, contact SoCal departure, have a good flight.
SoCal, we'll see you, SkyWest 3408.
He's heading to Scottsdale, Arizona. My mistake. If you have money and you live in Phoenix, you live in Scottsdale.
Excel Air 41, wind 1805, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
27, clear for takeoff, Excel Jet 41.
Alaska 498, sequence.
Alaska 498, Lindbergh Tower, 27, line up white.
Alaska 498, 27, line up and wait.
Alaska 498 is an Airbus 320 heading to Portland, Oregon.
Excel Jet 41, contact SoCal departure, have a good flight.
Departure 41, good day.
Alaska 498, runway 27, clear for takeoff, wind 1705.
Alaska 498, clear for takeoff, 27.
Should have a beautiful clear blue skies flight up to Portland, Oregon, right up the coast of California.
Delta 1364, the return 27, clear for takeoff, wind 2005. Delta 1364, the return, runway 27, clear for takeoff, wind 19085.
27, clear takeoff, Delta 1364.
Alaska 498, contact SoCal departure, have a good flight.
I'll see you, Alaska 498.
Delta 1364, a Boeing 739. We're heading to Salt Lake City. You are clear for takeoff, runway 27.
United 2243, number tower, runway 27, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 270 at 2243.
United 2243, a Boeing 738, heading to Houston Bush Airport. Have a good flight to Texas this morning. Get some of that barbecue.
Delta 1364, contact SoCal departure, good morning.
Delta 1364, what's your today?
Yeah, we get the Alaska flight taxiing. I bet that's the flight to
United
Kona.
2243, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 270 at 2243.
See if we give Alaska a lineup and wait. Nope, might be the flight to...
Alaska 276, number tower, runway 27, line up and wait.
Line up and wait 27, Alaska 276.
My mistake, 276, a Boeing 738 to beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. Flight to Kona is running late. Somebody arguing about a mask or something, I'd guess. Here comes that beautiful 738. One of my favorite spots in Mexico, Puerto Vallarta. I guess I just missed my friend Andy.
United 2243, contact SoCal departure, have a good flight.
Good day, 9243.
Maybe buy a little hotel, fix up a boat.
Alaska 276, wind 220 at 8, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 27, Alaska 276.
Take my guests fishing.
Southwest 3092, number tower, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
27, clear for takeoff, Southwest 3092.
3092, you are a Boeing 738 heading up the California coast to beautiful Oakland, California. If you can afford an apartment in San Francisco, try Oakland. Instead of $5,000 a month, it'll be $4,000 a month.
Alaska 276, contact SoCal departure, see ya.
276 long.
Horizon 2545, number tower, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Runway 27, clear for takeoff, horizon 2545. Number tower, good morning. United 2358 on the RNAV 27.
United 2358, number tower, runway 27, clear to land, wind 230 at 7.
Clear to land 27, 2358.
Southwest 3092, contact SoCal departure, have a good flight.
So long, Southwest 3092.
I don't see you on my list, Horizon. You're an Embraer heading somewhere. Hopefully I'll get you. My battery's about ready to die. Now you're running late. I've gone back about an hour. Can't find you, Horizon. But you have a good flight anyhow. Found you, Horizon. You're going to Montana this morning. Glacier Park. Have a good flight to Montana.
Horizon 2545, contact SoCal departure. Have a good flight.
2545 over departure. Good day.